Okay, I can clear that out. Next time, now we are going to talk about the next topic, that is there are compare to our body. I am very fat. I am very thin. We are saying this based on our weight. Already you know the term mass. So what is difference between mass and weight? What is mass and what is weight? You're going to see now. So what is mass? Mass, that's just in our earth, we are taking both mass and weight as same. But there is still a difference between the mass and weight. So mass of an object will not vary in all the places. It will be the same. But weight depends upon the gravity of their certain planet. But in our earth, the gravitational force, that is G, is constant all over the place. The value of G is 9.8 ms per minus. We know that all of clearly. So,
Yes, sir.
because of that, in our earth, we are taking both mass and weight are same. Both are equal in our earth. Okay? In our earth. ஸோ எர்த்தில் வந்து நம்ம கிராவிடேஷன் ஃபோர்ஸு எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கு, கிராவிடேஷனல் மாஸும் கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் சேர்த்தா தான் நமக்கு எப்படி சொல்ல வரோம்? We know that from the second law of motion, F is equal, due to second law of motion, F is equal to ma. பார்த்தோமா?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப இந்த மாஸையும் ஆக்சலரேஷனையும் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணா வெயிட். So F becomes what? Instead of A, already you know, instead of A we can write as G. Okay, because A is acceleration and G is acceleration due to gravity. So every body in the universe is attracted by the earth. So we are taking as a G. F is equal to m into G. So F is equal to, so F, so instead of what I can take, the force of attraction of the earth on object is known as the weight. So what is weight? The force of attraction, the earth is attracting every other object. That earth is attracting every other object. That attraction along with the mass is called as the weight. Is called as the weight. So simply saying, what is weight? The force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as the weight. You are attracted to the earth. You are attracted to the earth, so that you can experience the weight. So how can you calculate your weight? If you want to calculate your weight, you want to multiply your mass into gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. But okay, all over the earth, the gravitational force is similar, same. So it is negligible. So we can avoid that. And now we are calculating mass as both mass and weight are same for our earth, for our the objects in the earth alone. Okay. So here, instead of F, I can substitute value W, because both W is equal to mg. I am going to calculate force and weight, both are same. Okay, wow. Applying the same in V, because while calculating weight, you want to multiply mass into acceleration due to gravity. So if I take this F instead of F, I am taking as a weight W. W is equal to mg. W is equal to mg. So this is the weight. This is the weight. So SI unit of weight is also same as force. It is also Newton. SI unit of force is also called as a Newton. Okay. So this is the main thing here. So this is the way to calculate the weight of the object in the earth. It is the same formula. We can use the to measure the weight of the object in the moon, in other planets. Okay. Gravitational force is, but gravity in that particular planet will be changing. Okay. Suppose we are going to a moon. You're going to a moon. Your weight will not be same as in the earth.
It will be decreased.
Okay, it will be lighter than you. Suppose your weight is 36 kg in the earth. Your weight in the moon will be only 6 kg. That is 1/6 தான் இருக்கும். 1/6 தான் weight இருக்கும். 24 kg அப்படின்னா உன்னோட weight வந்து 4 kg தான் இருக்கும். 1/6 of the earth. அதுக்கு calculation எப்படி நான் போடுவோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் அதை பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே. So we have so if we take gravitation is constant all over the world. If we take gravitation as a constant, acceleration due to gravity is constant because it is same in the earth. In all the places it is same. So I am taking W is equal to, instead of mg I am taking because it is a gravitation I am taking G as a constant. So W is proportional to m. W is proportional to m. So both weight and mass are directly proportional to each other. This I am saying only in the earth. I am saying only in the earth. Earthல மட்டும் நம்ம பண்ண முடியும். W is proportional to m. Okay. Now anyone can read. Who can read?
Sir, Sujan shall read, sir.
Yes, take page number.
Sir, page number, sir.
Take page 137.
Yes, sir.
Next girls page. Take all of you take page book. One page 137 all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mass, sir.
Mass. All of you listen carefully. I'll share the book on the screen also. Yes. Sorry, this one not there. Yes. Can you read the mass?
Yes, sir. Mass. We have learned in the previous chapter that the mass of an object is measure of inertia. We have also learned that the greater the mass, the greater the inertia. It remains the same whether the object is on the earth, the moon, or even in outer space. Thus, the mass of an object is constant and does not change from place to place.
So
Right.
mass will not change from place to place. Even it is in earth or in moon, any other planet, mass will not. Mass is the same in all the places. But weight depends upon the gravity of that particular place. Okay. Yes. Now okay, go for weight.
Wait.
Shall I read? Sir, shall I read again, sir?
Wait. He is reading the
Shall I read, sir?
Sir, Sujan shall read.
Who is reading?
Sir, Sujan, sir.
Yes, continue.
Shall I read, sir?
The earth attracts a certain force, and this force depends on the mass m of the object and the acceleration due to the gravity g. The weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. We know that F is equal to m into a. That is, F is equal to m into g. The force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as the weight of the object. It is noted by W. Substituting the same in equation 10.14, we have W is equal to m into g. As the weight of an object in the force with which it is attracted towards the earth, the SI unit of weight is the same as that of force. That is Newton. The weight is a force acting vertically downward. It has both magnitude and direction. We have learned that the value of g is constant at a given place. Therefore, at a given place, the weight of an object is directly proportional to the mass, say m, of the object. That is, W is directly proportional to m. It is due to this reason that an given place we can use the weight of an object as a measure of its mass. The mass of an object remains the same everywhere, that is, on the earth, on any planet, where its weight depends on its location because g depends on location.
So what I said now, the same thing is given. So while measuring the weight and mass, it is same. So in our earth, both mass and weight are directly proportional to each other. So if you measure the mass, it is also weight. Actually, you can measure the weight with the force of attraction of the earth. That is mass into gravity. Mass into gravity is called as the weight. But in our earth, the gravity is same all over the places, at all the places. So we are negligible that one, and we're taking F. If you take mass means it is equal to weight. So F is proportional to weight. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
we are going to calculate the main object on the moon. So already I told that when you are going to a moon, the weight will be less. Okay, why it is happening? Because the gravitational force of the moon will be less than the Earth. Because of the gravitational force, there is a change in the force of attraction on the moon. Okay, so while taking the weight, you want to take mass into acceleration into gravity. Okay, so here your mass will be some means you have to go for the gravity. What is gravity is there? Okay, let's see here. Devadashini can read now. Here Devadashini can read now.
Sir, weight of an object on moon, sir.
Yes.
Weight of an object on the moon.
Yes.
We have learned that the weight of an object on the earth is the force with which the earth attracts the object. In the same way, the weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the moon attracts that object. The mass of the moon is less than that the earth. Due to this, the moon exerts lesser force of attraction on the object. Let the mass of the object be m. Let its weight on the moon be Wm. Let the mass of the moon be m by m and its radius be Rm. By applying the universal law of gravitation, the weight of the object on the moon will be Wm is equal to Gmm into m divided by R square m. Let the weight of the same object on the earth be We. The mass of the earth is m and its radius is r.
Yes, continue. So see here. So now we are going to calculate the weight and object on the moon. For that, we are taking here. What are things are taking there? We are taking there the mass of the object. Whatever object in the moon, let the take the mass be small m. The weight of the moon be Wm. So okay, W capital W small m. Let the mass of the moon be mm. Okay, on this radius be rm. What is radius? Radius of the moon. So what is the universal law of gravitation? Universal law of gravitation, F is equal to what? F is equal to G into mm by d squared. So here d squared taking as r square because the object is on the surface of the moon. So taking as r square. Up to this, any doubt in this? Any doubt?
Sir, no doubt. No, sir.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
So once again, once again read the second parallel. Let the mass of the object.
Yes, sir. Let the mass of an object be m. Let its weight on the moon be Wm. Let the mass of the moon be mm and its radius be rm. By applying the universal law of gravitation, the weight of the object on the moon will be Wm is equal to G into mm into m divided by r square m. Let the weight of the same object on the earth will be We. The mass of the earth is m and its radius is r.
Who is making nice there? Who is that? Yes, okay. See here. Yes, I'll take all of it on the board now. Just stop sharing. So let us take a moon. Let's take a moon. Okay. Can you able to see the board of you?
Yes, sir.
The screen is
Yes,
blurred.
sir.
Okay. Let's take a moon.
But your
The-
board is blurry, sir, now.
Sir, your board is blurred.
because of network issues is there. Somewhat it is blurry.
No, sir, it is blurred.
Sir, no
sir.
problem in camera, sir. Network is too fluctuating.
Camera will be correct only. Network issues is not really. No problem.
Yes, sir, now it's good, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I am taking this as a moon. Let the mass. I am taking a small object. Small object will be there. You can take any object. Suppose it is you. Okay, object is mass. So I am taking the mass and object. Mass of an object. Mass of an object. The yes. See here we are taking two things. One is object and another is moon. So mass of the object is equal to what? You can take as a small m. You can take a small m. Okay. I'm taking a weight of the moon. Weight of the moon will be Wm. Because I want to differentiate, I'm taking weight of the moon is equal
And
to
yes.
capital W and small m. Yeah. ஏன்னா தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் இந்த weight of the moon தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு பக்கத்துல moon போறோம் weight of the Wm போடுறோம் ஓகேவா the mass of the moon இருக்கும் for mass of the moon take small m or take capital M because I take small m for the object. Yeah, for mass of the moon taking small capital M and I'm missing small m பக்கத்துல ஏன்னா mass of the moon so according to the law of universal law of gravitation, what is formula? F is equal to G into m by r square d squared. This is the formula. This is the formula. Okay. Now I'm going to substitute the values here. What is the value? Instead of force, I'm substituting weight of the moon. Weight of the moon is equal to G into here for capital M. I'm substituting this small m mass of the moon into mass of the object divided by because the object is surface of the moon. We can take the radius of the moon, so it becomes r squared because I'm taking the radius of the moon is r squared. It is r squared. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you see in the book, mass of the moon will be given as 1.36. 1.36 into 10 to the power 22.
22, sir.
Yes. And radius of the moon is given as 1.74 into
10 to the power
6. So this is the already given. Now கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிட்டாங்க. So I am taking the Wm is equal to okay what is the value of G? G நமக்கு தெரியாது. We want G தான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். G கண்டுபிடிச்சு G into mass of the object நமக்கு தெரியாது இல்லையா? So mass of the earth அளவு so say மூணு அளவு 7.36 into 10 to the power 22.
10 power 22.
No, into small m divided by radius what? 1.74 into
10 power 6
whole square.
Yes, sir.
Whole square. Okay. Here now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 10 to the power whole square. Now what is can write down here? Wm is equal to I can write as what I can write as simplifying. Okay. When I simplify all this, I get answer will be something
2.431.
431. You can simplify 2.43 into
Yes,
10 to
sir.
the power. How much will come? 10 to the power
10.
16. 10 to the power 10. சொல்லுங்க. G into m.
G into m, sir.
G up there. Okay, G into m. Okay, G into m.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And similarly, while calculating for the weight on the earth, 1.474 will get 1. இதான் எங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிருக்காங்க நம்ம பண்ண அவசியம் கிடையாது. 1.474 into 10 to the
10
power
power 11 G into m.
G into m. Okay. Now I'm taking this equation 1 and taking this equation 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to divide these equations. W by m. So Wm by
Wm and divided by W.
W is equal to 2.431 into 10 to the power 10 G into m divided by 1.474 into 10 to the power 11 into G into m. So Gm will cancel. Okay. Next one Wm by We get means is equal to what? Is equal to approximately
0.165.
0.165. 0.165 is equal to 1.
Sir, why sir JM got cancelled?
See, இப்போ 2 4 4 cancel பண்ண மாட்டீங்களா? G cancel ஆயிடும். இது numerator denominator. டினாமினேட்டர் இருக்கு. கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம்ல?
Yes, sir.
கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ நம்பர் மாதிரி 1.6
Yes.
1.6. ஸோ what is this? Weight of the moon, weight of the earth. So weight of the moon is equal to 1/6 into weight of the earth. It is going this side. It becomes weight of the earth. W E ஆயிடுது. ஸோ weight of the moon, நீ உன்னோட வெயிட் வந்து எர்த்ல கம்பேர் பண்ணும்பொழுது மூணு வந்து 1/6 எர்த்ல வந்து எவ்வளவு இருந்துச்சோ 1/6 தான் இருக்கும். நீ எர்த்ல வந்து 24 kg இருந்தா 24/6 4 kg தான் நீ இருப்ப எங்க மூணுல. இப்போ சப்போஸ் 36 kg இங்க வந்து நீ வந்து 80 kg இருக்க, 80/6 அப்படி போட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த வெயிட் நீ இருப்ப, 80/6 அந்த வெயிட் நீ இருப்பாங்க எங்க மூணுல. ஸோ 1/6 கூட வெயிட் கம்மியா இருக்கும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் தி calculation of the weight of the moon, weight of the object in the moon. Weight of the object in the moon, we are going to calculate like this only. Okay, any doubt in this sum? Once again I read that. Devasthi continue பண்ணுங்க அப்படியே.
Sir, weight of an object on the moon, sir.
Yes, இல்ல the second paragraph, by applying the universal law of gravitation படிங்க பார்க்கலாம். What is in there?
Yes, sir. By applying the universal law of gravitation, the weight of the object on the moon will be Wm is equal to G into mm into m divided by r square m. Let the weight of the same object on the earth be We. The mass of the earth is m and its radius is m. Sir, shall we continue in the sum, sir?
Yes, fully complete.
Yes, sir. From equation 10.9 and 10.15, we have We is equal to G into m divided by r square. Substituting the value from the table 10.1 in equation 10.16 and 10.17, we get Wm is equal to G into 7.36 into 10 power 22 kg into m divided by 1.74 into 10 power 6 m into power 2. Wm is equal to 2.431 into 10 power 10 g into m, and We is equal to 1.474 and 10 power 11 g into m. Dividing equation 10.18a by the equation 10.18b, we get Wm by We is equal to 2.431 into 10 power 10 divided by 1.474 into 10 power 11, or Wm by We is equal to 0.165 is equal to 1.6. Weight of the object on the moon by the weight of the object on the earth is equal to 1/6. Weight of the object on the moon is equal to 1/6 into its weight on the earth.
So here main thing is, the gravitational pull of the moon is less than the earth. ஸோ ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து எர்த்ல போச்சு, அப்படி எர்த்ல இருந்து மூணு போனாங்கன்னா அவங்க கிராவிடேஷன் கம்மியா இருக்கு. ஸோ அங்கே வந்து என்ன நமக்கு வெயிட் கம்மியா இருக்கு. பட் மாஸ் எடுத்த மாஸ் சேம் தான், மாஸ் வெயிட் மாறுது. இங்க நமக்கு பூமி நம்மளோட எர்த்ல வந்து போத் ஆர் சேம் மாஸ். பட் ஆனால் அங்கே போகும்போது நம்ம வெயிட் டிஃபர் ஆகுது. ஏன் டிஃபர் ஆகுது? பிகாஸ் gravitational force is very less comparing to the earth. Okay, so if you want to calculate the weight of an object, you must give the product of mass into gravity, mass into acceleration, mass into g, m into g. அத லாஸ்ட் வெயிட்ல பார்த்தோம். ஸோ அப்படி பார்க்கும் பொழுது மூணுல பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் கம்மியா இருக்கனால வெயிட் கம்மியாகுதுங்க. ஸோ எவ்வளவு எர்த்ல வந்து எவ்வளவு வெயிட் இருக்கோ அதோட 1/6 தான் நீ வந்து அங்கே வெயிட் இருப்ப எங்க மூணுல. ஸோ இவனோட வெயிட் கம்மியாயிடும், நீ வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாக தான் இருப்ப, 1/6 வெயிட் அங்கே இருக்கும். இப்போ நீ வந்து சப்போஸ் அதான் சொன்ன 36 kgனா 36/6 எவ்வளோ வரும்? 6. ஓகேவா? இப்போ வந்து 42 kg இருக்கு. 42 kg இங்கே இருந்தா 42 3 42/6 எவ்வளோ வரும்? 7 kg. அந்த மாதிரி தான் 7 kg தான் வரும். சப்போஸ் நீ வந்து இப்போ வந்து 90 kg இருக்க, 90 kg அப்படி இருக்குன்னா அங்கே 3 எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? நீ 90 / 6 90 divided by 6 எவ்வளவு வரும்? எவ்வளவு வரும்?
Sir, 30 kg.
30 90 divided by 6 30 வருமா?
And
Sir, 25.
25 வருமா?
Sir, 15. Sir, 15.
90 divided 6 90 divided 6 15 வருமா? 15 கொடுங்க அவ்வளவுதான். இது 90 80 divided 6 என்ன வரும்? 90 divided by 6 போட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா x is a 60 5 6 30 90 வந்துரும். So 15 தான் ஆன்சர். So நீ 90 கேள்வி இருந்தீங்கன்னா எனக்கு 3 எலர் பண்ணி 15 கேள்வி தான் இருப்ப. ஓகே ஓகேவா? clear
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay now
Yes, sir.
I'll take a class work now.
Took, sir.